Have you ever wondered how to bring a touch of nature into your home decor without compromising on style and durability? Rattan decor is the answer, striking a perfect balance between versatility, sustainability, and modern aesthetics. Stay tuned as we delve into the world of rattan, your ultimate guide to a naturally stylish home. When it comes to versatility, few materials can rival rattan. Its natural elegance and durability make it a popular choice for a wide array of home decor items. From large statement pieces like armchairs and coffee tables, to smaller accents such as baskets and lampshades, rattan's adaptability is boundless. It effortlessly complements various interior styles, adding a touch of nature to modern, contemporary spaces, and enhancing the warmth in traditional rustic settings. So whether your home style is chic, rustic, or somewhere in between, rattan has something to offer. In a world increasingly aware of the need for sustainability, rattan stands out as a green choice. Born from the tropical forests, rattan's harvesting and processing leave a minimal carbon footprint. It's a natural resource that regrows faster than it's used, making it a sound, renewable option. Add to that its durability and simple maintenance, and you've got a decor material that's built to last. Choosing rattan means choosing a decor that's not only stylish but also kind to our planet. We've explored the versatility and sustainability of rattan, but what's the takeaway? Rattan brings warmth, style, and an eco-friendly touch to any interior. It's durable, easy to maintain, and adapts to various design trends. In the world of home decor, rattan is a natural winner. So why not invite it into your home and experience the charm of nature-infused style?